Launching a new product, program, or service can feel like you're just juggling a million things at once, especially if you're already stretched thin in running your business. But what if I told you that you can actually launch with confidence, with clarity, and with a plan that actually works? Hi, I'm Ashley. I've built myself a career in customer success. I've also run my own service-based business for years. Additionally, I've also invested a ton of money and time into mastering marketing strategies so that you don't have to. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the 5 essential systems that every small business owner needs in order to launch a product, program, or service. So these are the systems that I've used for my own launches to make them feel seamless, a lot less overwhelming, and most importantly, successful. So let's dive in. One of the biggest advantages of launching is being able to step back from the constant selling. So in between your launches, you're able to continue to nurture your audience, continue to offer value to them, and also be able to continue to build trust with your audience without putting pressure on yourself to be promoting all the time. When approaching launching this way, it makes it a lot less overwhelming and a lot more strategic. So it gives you that flexibility with those mini breaks, but then also allows you to generate really good revenue when it is time to launch. Be prepared to answer questions like, is this product right for me? Or where can I access this product after I've purchased it? Or I'm having issues checking out, can you please help me? You need to be able to answer these questions pretty quickly in order to ensure a smooth experience for your audience and to build trust with them. Next, you're going to need a thought out communication plan, and this includes the communication before, during, and after your launch. For your email list, segmenting is going to be key. So identify the people that have been clicking on your links, downloading your resources, or engaging with your content, and make sure those are the people getting those sales-driven emails. Versus the people that are not as ready to buy, you want to continue to nurture them with value-driven content. A great strategy is actually using polls in your emails. So a lot of email service providers allow you to directly put a poll into one of your emails so that you can ask your audience, hey, are you even going to be interested in this upcoming offer that I have? And that way you can really pinpoint who you're going to be sending those follow-up emails to, and this will just dramatically help with any unsubscribes and be able to keep your engagement high with your audience. If you're working solo, you can create a checklist and just prioritize your tasks based off of the deadline. Or if you do have a team, you can use software like Asana or Trello, and this just allows you to assign roles, assign tasks, and be able to track everyone's progress and have everybody be on the same page. Next is analytics and tracking. So analytics might not be the most glamorous part about launching, but it's absolutely essential. You can set up a Google Analytics account to see where your traffic is coming from and see what's working. During one of my launches, I noticed that a lot of my traffic was actually coming from Instagram rather than Pinterest, which allowed me to really understand where I need to dedicate more of my time. By understanding where your audience is allows you to allocate your energy to the platforms that deliver the best results for you. So this just overall allows you to work smarter, not harder. Finally, let's talk about outreach. So this is your opportunity to be able to expand your reach and connect with new audiences. For example, you can consider collaborations or live events, or even just being a guest on someone else's podcast, or it can be as simple as a shout out from a creator with your same audience. Another simple example would be reaching out to somebody in your industry who has probably a larger audience than you do and see if they'd be willing to mention your product or service. Even a quick mention to a link on your page can make a really big impact. So the goal here is really just to be getting in front of new eyes and growing your audience even as you're launching. Next, I want to quickly touch on building momentum around your launch. One of the most impactful ways for you to build excitement around your launch is by offering something free to your audience beforehand. So this can be in the form of a checklist, a guide, or even a webinar related to your paid offer. By promoting this freebie to people on social media and to your email list, you're able to create buzz while growing your email list with people that are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. The key here is to provide immense value upfront. So the more helpful and the more relevant that your free resource is, the more likely your audience is going to be to invest in your paid offer. Finally, just remember that launching is not a one-size-fits-all process. Even the best plans need adjustments. So make sure you're just keeping an eye on your Google Analytics. And if something's not working, like you have really low open rates with your emails or nobody's engaging with your content on social media, that just means it's time to pivot. Sometimes you're going to need to repurpose email content and turn that into a social media post, or even use a different call to action. The most successful launches are fluid, just by adapting to feedback or audience behavior or even just real-time data. By staying flexible, this is going to allow you to make the most out of every opportunity. And there you have it, the 5 steps that you need to have in place before launching your product, program, or service. From customer support to outreach, all of these steps are going to allow you to have a streamlined, successful launch without the overwhelm. If you're ready to take action, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more marketing tips like this. Also, don't forget to grab my free audience attraction blueprint in the description below to help you grow your email list. I'll see you in the next video.